it seemed like a good idea. Bad idea. Finally get upgraded to first class, and the lounge is closed. Literally in O'Hare Airport, all by ourselves. Feels good. It is probably 10:45. It says baggage claims this way. I don't know, that was a good flight. First class on a 2-hour flight. They just kept bringing us booze. I kept drinking the booze and eating the snacks. Can you blame me? I'm in Chicago. I'm home. I mean, Denver is home, but Chicago is also home. I was like the second person off the plane. No wonder there's nobody behind me. Oh, this is an unassuming escalator down to baggage claim. I'm gonna put my mask on for 2 more seconds. Just felt good to not have it on after having it on for the last 2 hours. So they said that you have to keep your mask on unless you're eating or drinking. Now, the stipulation to that is if you continually eat and drink, then technically you don't have to wear your mask. Ever. Hi. It's 1F.
Oh, okay, I'm just leaving the house.
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you.
Okay. 1F.
1F. 1 Frank.
Okay, honey. I'll see you shortly.
Alright, love you. Bye. That is my mom. She is a saint for picking me up at the airport at 11 p.m. I want to put a sweatshirt on, but it's not cold.
Hand sanitizer. Take your shoes off. Gotta put them in the bag.
This is the delousing process.
This is open.
I don't know. My hands are covered in hand sanitizer. I will say that this is the first time I've ever been at O'Hare Airport with no socks or shoes on.
Or people.
No socks, no shoes, no service. I love you.
Hi.
Oh. Figured I would try it's not electric, but I can understand. I can definitely understand the appeal. Just need the boosted board. Just longboarding through my old stomping grounds. Going to check out the, they remodeled the ice rink where I used to play hockey. Miss you.
Miss you too.
Oh.
To the beach, wait, I met this girl when I was 12 years old. Gave her everything, just shot of the world. Could get a grip every time I tried to hold on, I slipped deep in this feeling that gravity pulls me down. I know I'm tripping, I'm falling in love with the drum breaks. She keep me safe from the gunplay. When I'm hungry, she feed my soul. When I'm lonely, she keep me company. It's funny, I used to wanna grow older, travel with sight in these rhymes. So they realize that she got me out of my mind. I'm trying to kick these nerves to grab hold to the microphone. Got them nodding along. Maybe she'll save the world for me. Maybe she'll right my wrongs if I'm coming on too strong. Oh well, only way to tell is by saying this how I feel, and that's real. Feel like everything might turn out just alright. I know I'm lying to myself, pardon my wishful thinking. Still fly from head to trinkets, afraid of blinking. Can't even miss a second of the blessings. I'm living messy, like every minute is a gift, it's a pleasure. Let's get together, let's spin us a smooth forever. Wait, pick up your mood, I know I lack the direction. Skipped on class and a lecture, busy trying to get it together. Something clever, my notes are tethered to the reckless behaviors with good intentions. Smolder incense, good riddance to negative energy. Let peace, love, and serenity spill for me. None as ill as me, truth be told, barely real as me. How I let feelings loose on loose leaf. Murder the goose beat, shout to Mills on the cool keys. Ooh, she's feel like a cool breeze. Near the ocean tide, from the cove to the globe wide with an open eye and a smile. Feel like everything might turn out to be fine.